In primetime news this evening, government to review legislative framework for utility companies.
Police identified persons in Sunday's deadly crash in Trelawney.
And farmers not optimistic about one-day staging of Denby. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Janella Precious. And with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, fears of a recession in the United States led to another major decline in stocks in that country. But Jamaica's stock market went up today. Details later in the business day.
And Giovanni Dennis has the latest on the Olympics. I know why you're smiling at me,
You have not said congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank
Janella
you.
was right.
Julian Alfred, my countrywoman. Okay, that's not about us. Yeah.
Giovanni Dennis has the headlines.
Well, at this rate, there will be no need for me. But I can say to you that it's something unprecedented. 3 Jamaicans have qualified for the final of the shot put at the Olympics. I'll have the details in Primetime Sports.
I am particularly interested in what
Gold,
one of them
silver,
is.
bronze.
I think we have a great chance
Yeah,
to win one medal. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And I want to hear your views on this as well. We're asking this evening, how many medals do you think Jamaica is likely to secure at the Paris Olympics?
Well, you're going to have to wait until the end of the newscast. I actually have a guess. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.